I'm going to show how to replace the cabin air filter on a 907 Sprinter, so 2019 and up. Come over here, so you can use, I always use a pick tool because it's always handy. You can use a pick tool or just a simple flathead screwdriver. Like I said, I like the pick tool. It fits in the larger groove of this floor covering better. So if you got floor mats, scooch those. This one's already unlocked, so like I said, the pick tool works great for turning those. Locked is that way, unlocked is that way. It's already unlocked. Another nice thing about the pick tool, you can stick it in, get yourself a bite on the edge there. So now that you got that off, you got your toolkit, go ahead and pull this floor covering back. Pull on this edge. Make sure you fold right here as far back as you can, or else you'll tear the padding there. Not that it really causes any visible damage, but I don't like to cause any issues with customers' vehicles. So now that you've got toolkit out of the way, your cabin air filter sits right here. So you'll squeeze these tabs. You got one there, one back there, and one right here. Sometimes this harness likes to be in the way, so you gotta push it back and lower this down. Now the cabin air filter is good to remove. So here's your old one. As you'll notice, it came out with the holes at the top and the arrow pointing that way. So you take the new one, do the same thing. Check your arrow, so you want it this way, so that when it goes in, it's just like this. Move the old one. So go ahead, get it up in place like that. Let it go in naturally. So it should sit just like that. Typically they'll rest in place like that. They grab onto those pins a little bit. Go ahead, take this cover back, make sure it's lined up, and get those clicked back in place. New cabin air filters installed. And then one thing to look out for on the toolkit reinstall is you see these grooves right here. Right here is the slot for those grooves. So when you're putting it back in, make sure to line it up on both sides. I always hold it up like this, grab the floor covering again, pull it back. You'll hear a click, just like that. You know you got it installed correctly. Put the floor covering back in place, just like so. Lock these, put the floor mats back in place. And that's how you replace the cabin air filter on a 2019 and up 907 Mercedes Sprinter.